Welcome to this Crystal 2.0 training video. You are currently in the Schedule section, and in this video we will demonstrate how to set up the schedule. The schedule setting is a schedule profile that defines one or more segments of recording time to launch actions from the recording schedule and the metadata streaming schedule. It specifies the times for video recording schedule for the cameras, the metadata streaming schedule for the metadata channels, the event schedule for all devices, and the user login schedule from the system configuration. Here is how to set up schedule. You can carry out the schedule profile setup on the system settings page, or you can set up the camera recording schedule directly. There is a default schedule profile called Always, which is shorthand for around the clock. The schedule profile Always ensures no segment of time is blocked out during the 24 hours of each operating day, thus enabling the recording server and metadata server to carry out actions at any time. For the first schedule profile setting, go to System Config, Schedule, to input schedule settings. Let's say that you want to set up the daily recording schedule. Click Add to add a schedule and name this schedule Working Day. You can select the schedule for the daily mode to run from 8 a.m. to 6 p.m. Then you can go to the camera you want to assign to this schedule and select the working day. And then commit it. Select Daily to set the frequency of recording, plus an event or an action to take place daily. Follow the same process when setting up weekly, monthly, yearly, and specific day settings. To set up a specific day, let's say you select December 31st for your specific day setting. Because December 31st is the last day of the year, you may need to extend the recording schedule from 10 p.m. of December 31st through to 6 a.m. of January 1st of the following year. In this manner, you can easily set up your preferred time slot. The second setup option is to go to the Physical, Management Server, Recording Server, Camera, Recording Schedule to directly set up your desired schedule. For example, let's say you want to set up a recording schedule for the weekend that runs from 8 a.m. to 6 p.m. You add a schedule and name it Weekend. Then, set the schedule for weekly mode and select Saturday and Sunday 8 a.m. to 6 p.m. Here, NUUO supports daily and weekly modes in the schedule settings. Once you have completed the settings, the schedule will appear listed within the schedule profile. Having set up the schedule profile, now let's review how to apply the schedule to the settings. As previously mentioned, schedule profiles apply to the following settings: recording schedule, metadata streaming schedule, event schedule, and user login schedule. Let's demonstrate with user login time. Go to New Client Config tab, System Configuration, User Group or the user to which you want to apply the schedule. Click on Add to assign a schedule that you have created previously. Then define the property. For example, you might want to allow the user to log in on workdays and block the user on holidays. Next, go to the Schedule Overview to double confirm when the user can log in. Then commit it. The process is the same with other settings, like event schedule settings. Just assign the schedule and properties and then go to the Overview page. For further information regarding schedule, please visit the NUUO website at www.nuuo.com.